This is the next video on Helga. I think this is number 3. I could not pull the cord on this mower, so I was afraid it was locked up. But sometimes you can overfill them with oil, and you'll think they're locked up, but they're not. So this one, turned it on its side and hit that horrible blade that I've got to replace anyway with a great big heavy hammer, and that freed it up. And once it turned over, then it started pushing oil out the crankcase ventilation tube. I did want to show you this. So it is turning now, and that actually appears to have very good compression. So, as you can see, it's easy to turn. Then when you get to the compression stroke right there, it's got some good snap to it. So I think, or some people might have given up on this thing and said, "Oh, it's locked up," because he couldn't pull the cord. And I could not move the flywheel at all by hand. So what you have to do sometimes is use the leverage of the blade, and you can get a 2x4 and push on it, or a big hammer, and you will kick a little bit of oil out if it's on its side, which this one was. But that won't be hard to clean up. But at least now I know I've got something I can work with. So that's where we are on this guy now. The back wheels were not frozen, so the only one I really got frozen is that one. So I'll try and free that one up later.